Okay, we have a GMC vertical milling machine, model 949V, serial number 111024. Machine was new in the 2000s. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a 3 horsepower milling head, R8 spindle, variable speed up to 4,300 RPM, power quill. It's going right now. Okay, that's the kick out. Forward and reverse. Back gear. Again, variable in the back gear. You have X and Y DRO. You can see it up there. Do it again on the digital readout. Thank you. That's the X. That's the Y. We also have a power feed we have to plug in. Here we go. Power feed, variable, rapid, other direction, also variable, and rapid. Okay, I think you've seen it all. Thanks for watching our video.